In the name of Allah, the most kind, merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to online class again. Lecture number 2. And the topics which we will discuss in this lecture are, first of all, from English chapter number 2 our dialogue, and we shall do exercise number F, and we shall do text question which are given in the reading, which are given in the passage. We shall do these. You have to write these questions on the book where the questions have written, where these questions have written. Present indefinite tense we will do after it from English B, and we had done exercise number 1. Now we have to do exercise number 2 from your grammar book. First of all, we shall do chapter number 2, our dialogue, and exercise number F. In this exercise, we have to write what words is used for. For example, we have to give words which are used for these persons. One who speaks, speaker. We have to use speaker for the person who is speaking. Then these are the points which are included in this exercise. One who teach is teacher. One who buys is buyer. One who sells is seller. One who acts, actor. One who plays, player. One who operates, operator. One who sings, singer. One who writes, writer. One who challenges, challenger. One who reads, reader. One who lies, liar. So these are the words which we use for these persons. You have to write them on your book and learn them by heart. Here is the second exercise which we have to do today. From chapter number 2, our dialogue, we will do text questions. You have to write them on your book where the questions are written. First of all, the first question is, who was ill? कौन बीमार था? Qasim's mother was ill. Qasim की माँ बीमार थी. Second question is, how will Qasim cover the deficiency in studies? पढ़ाई में Qasim अपनी कमी को कैसे कवर करेगा, पूरा करेगा? Qasim will cover the deficiency in studies by attending classes regularly and by getting help from his brother. Qasim जो पढ़ाई में कमी है वो बाकायदगी से क्लासेस लेकर करेगा कमी को पूरा, और अपने भाई से मदद लेकर करेगा. Does Qasim want to miss the exams? क्या कासिम एग्जाम्स जो है, इम्तिहानात जो है, उनको मिस करना चाहता है? No, Qasim does not want to miss the exams. Qasim exams को, इम्तिहानात को मिस नहीं करना चाहता है. In the question there is does, it means that it is in present tense. Now we have to use in the answer also present indefinite tense. We have to use does not with it. Who was helping Qasim in his studies? In this question, this is in past tense. Now we have to write the answer also in past tense. Who was helping Qasim in his studies? कौन उसकी मदद कर रहा था पढ़ाई में कासिम की? His brother was helping Qasim in his studies. कासिम का भाई उसकी मदद कर रहा था पढ़ाई में. Which profession is Qasim planning to adopt in future? कौन सा प्रोफेशन जो था वो कासिम फ्यूचर में, आने वाले दिनों में उसको अपनाना चाहता था, जिसकी कौन क्या प्लानिंग कर रहा था वो फ्यूचर के बारे में? He wants to adopt the मेडिकल प्रोफेशन. वो मेडिकल प्रोफेशन, मेडिकल में जतिब में जाना चाहता था. इफ ही गेट्स गुड मार्क्स, अगर वो अच्छे मार्क्स लेता है. अदरवाइज ही मे गो इनटू बिजनेस एंड एग्रीकल्चर. अगर वो अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं लेता तो वो बिजनेस में और एग्रीकल्चर में जाएगा. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ टेक्स्ट. टू प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2. Portion is the first 5 points are, हम कभी कभी अजायब घर जाते हैं. Now focus on the rules of present indefinite tense. Keep in mind the rules of present indefinite tense in your mind while we are discussing these sentences. In the first, हम कभी कभी अजायब घर जाते हैं. First of all, identification they हैं, it is in present indefinite tense. Now what is the English of हम? we. जाते हैं, घर जाते हैं, visit करने जा रहे हैं ना, घूमने जा रहे हैं. So visit we have to use first form of verb only. We will not use ses with it because there is we. We visit अजायब घर, museum, कभी कभी, now and then. बच्चे चिड़ियाघर की सैर से लुत्फ उठाते हैं. they हैं, it is in present indefinite tense. बच्चे, the children, these are more than one, plural, so we will not write ses with verb. We will write only first form of verb. the children enjoy, लुत्फ उठाते हैं, enjoy चिड़ियाघर, the zoo की सैर, trip. the children enjoy the zoo trip. मेरा दोस्त मुझे हमेशा सही मशवरा देता है. मेरा दोस्त, my friend. It is singular, so we have to now we have to use ses with the form of verb. हमेशा, always. My friend always advises, मशवरा देता है, advises. हमेशा सही mean right. मुझे हमें सही mean right. My friend always advises me right. जो मेहनत करता है उसका फल पाता है. It means that the person जो मेहनत करता है, it is a statement. It is also, we can also only write one who seeks, find. Seeks is first form of verb and ses. Finds is also first form of verb, ses, because it is singular. हम हर साल 1000 रुपए टैक्स अदा करते हैं. ते हैं present indefinite tense. We, because there is हम, we अदा करते हैं, pay 1000, 1000 rupees, tax every year, हर साल. Now these are first 5 sentences. 5 more sentences. मैं बिल की अदायगी हर माह की 10 तारीख तक अदा करता हूँ. present indefinite tense. मैं आए, first form of verb we have to use. I pay. बिल की अदायगी, bill up to the 10th of every month. 10 तारीख तक, हर माह की 10 तारीख तक. ये कसाब कम तोलता है. ये कसाब, दिस butcher. सिंगुलर, यूज ses, so तोलता है, gives, शॉर्ट मैयर, कम. ये दुकानदार घटिया माल बेचता है. ता है इंडेफिनिट टेंस, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. ये दुकानदार, दिस शॉपकीपर, इट इज सिंगुलर, बेचता है, सेल्स. सब घटिया माल, सब स्टैंडर्ड गुड्स. लालची आदमी का धन खाता है. A greedy man, लालची, lives on black money. आप आदमी का धन खाता है, lives on black money, मतलब उससे जिंदगी गुजारता है. गरीब डाकिया बड़ी मुश्किल से गुजर बसर करता है. ता है प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. गरीब आदमी, पुअर. द पुअर डाकिया, पोस्टमैन, बसर करता है, रहता है, lives बड़ी मुश्किल से, from hand to mouth. So these are the 5 sentences. शिकारी हर परिंदे पर निशाना बांधता है. शिकारी, द हंटर. निशाना बांधना, एम्स. हर परिंदे पर, at every bird. The hunter aims. Hunter is a singular. Aims we have to write at every bird. डॉक्टर मरीज को आराम का मशवरा देता है. ता है singular and present indefinite tense. Doctor is singular. The doctor मशवरा देता है, advice. Now we have to write with singular ses, advises मरीज को, the patient, आराम का, to take rest. किसान आजकल गंदम की फसल काटता है. ता है present indefinite tense. किसान, the farmer, काटता है, फसल काटता है, harvests, singular s we have to use, the wheat, गंदम, crop. Nowadays, आजकल. वो अच्छे आदमियों में उठता बैठता है. वो is a singular. He keeps, बैठता है मतलब रहता है, द कंपनी ऑफ गुड पीपल, अच्छे आदमियों में. ये शख्स हर आदमी को धोखा देता है. ता है सिंगुलर, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. ये शख्स, दिस पर्सन, डिसीव्स, धोखा देना, एसएस वी हैव टू यूज, हर आदमी, एवरीबॉडी. सो दीज आर द 15 सेंटेंसेस रिलेटेड टू प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2. Now today in this lecture we did first of all one exercise, that is exercise number F, and we had done text question from the passage, and then we had discussed present indefinite tense, exercise number 2. I hope that you have understood all these. Take good care of yourself and your family. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.